Hello everyone, welcome to JamPre. My name is Lucian and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple neon effect in Krita. So let's get right into it. First, let's create a new project. I'm going to set the width to 1280 and the height to 720 pixels, but technically it doesn't matter. Before we start creating the text with the effect, I'm going to create a super simple background. So let's unlock the background layer and make it black. On the first paint layer, I'm going to create a simple white gradient using the gradient tool. Duplicate the layer, mirror it by selecting layer in the top left, clicking on transform and then mirror horizontally. Let's select both layers and group them together by pressing Ctrl G. Convert the group to a paint layer by right clicking on the group, then selecting convert and then convert to paint layer. Duplicate again, mirror vertically, group them together and then convert to paint layer again. Change the opacity to your liking. It's best to keep the background as dark as possible. You know why in approximately 3 seconds. Now select the text tool and click anywhere on the canvas to create a text layer. The text will have to be white, but the font and size doesn't matter. Once you're happy with how it looks, click save and then close. Duplicate the text layer, move it down by 1 layer and hide the original text layer. Select the duplicate and convert it to a paint layer. Locate the button on the toolbar that says filter, then go down to blur and select Gaussian blur. We are only going to blur the first layer by a bit. For this, I chose 10 pixels. Hit OK and duplicate the layer. Group them together, duplicate the group and convert the duplicate to a paint layer. This layer will be blurred again, but this time by a lot more. In this case, I chose 120 pixels. Duplicate it again, group it, and duplicate the group, just like before. Convert it to a paint layer, and blur this last layer again. This time, 5 times as much as before, in this case almost 600 pixels. Now we have 3 blurred text layers. I'm not so happy with the second layer, so I'm going to blur it a bit more. Select all the blurred layers without the background, unlike me, and create a quick masking group by pressing Ctrl, Shift and G. Select the mask layer and color it to your liking. I'm going with pink and cyan because it's a great color combo. Mess around with the opacity of the different blurred layers and adjust it to your liking. Finally, make the first text layer visible again. And voila! A super basic neon effect. This can be applied to anything, not only text. Great. No. Oh my god, check this out. It took so long to record. It's already nighttime. No, I'm kidding. I hope you found this video useful. If so, and you use this effect for something, please tag us, JamPre, in your post because we'd love to see your creations with that effect. Maybe you even perfected it or, yeah, something. I don't know, I forgot the script because I deleted it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more tutorials from us. If you have any feedback or any things you want to see from us or learn from us, please write them in the comments below. And yeah, have fun creating, am I right? Bye bye.